Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Simon. Thank you to everyone that's subscribed over the last couple of weeks. If you haven't, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I'm hopefully going to give you some insight today or some tips and tricks today, and then I'm looking to release more videos and take you on the journey with me. So today we are looking at 7 genius tips and tricks for 3D printing to kind of take your 3D prints to the next level. So let's start at number 1. So the first one, guys, might seem really obvious, but make sure you give your print beds a clean. Take them off, or you can leave them in situ. I just use a little bit of soapy water, a bit of blue roll, and give them a wipe. The reason for that is the first layer, sometimes there's dust, and depending on where your printers are, dust can settle on the print beds. And I've found in the past that sometimes that first layer doesn't stick very well. So number 1 is make sure you clean your print beds. Number 2, this I found out the hard way. As soon as the print is finished, don't just go and grab the print off the bed or grab the bed itself. It does get really hot. My advice is to let it cool down. So let it cool down a little bit. Maybe even try then to take the print bed off and just move it away from the printer itself to let it cool down a little bit. But number 2 is let your prints or your printer bed cool down. On to number 3. Number 3 is ensure you have enough filament for the print that you're going to be doing. A couple of times I've been caught out where I've started a 3D print, gone out, left it printing, come back to realize that I didn't have enough filament to complete the print. Obviously that's not ideal, because then you come back, you can actually then put the some more filament in it, but by that time the 3D print itself has cooled down and there's a lot of problems with it. So my tip for that one, number 3, is make sure you have enough filament in your printer. Obviously that doesn't matter so much if you've got an AMS, but you know what I mean. Number 4, drying a filament. Again, this is my tips and tricks, so take this as you will, but my thoughts on it is if you want a good quality print or smooth finish on your 3D prints, then drying a filament is something that you should do. If you don't, and it's something that's going to be hidden, then not necessarily. Sometimes I leave 3D print or filament out and I don't dry it, and the prints are okay. I found that with wood PLA and filament and stuff like that, if you want a really good finish for a vase or something along those lines, or a coaster, then I dry my filament. So do you need to dry your filament? You decide. Number 5, always check for obstructions. I went to do a time lapse. I set my tripod up. I put it nice and close to the printer. I came back after letting it do its thing, and my camera was on the floor. The tripod had fallen over where the print bed had hit it. So I've seen other videos as well, and I'll try and find it where the print bed wasn't put on properly and it was basically soaring away at the display. So that's my tip for that one. So that was number 5. Make sure that you keep obstructions away from your print bed. Number 6 is your slicer setting. So the quality setting can be set up in the slicer that you're using. So when you, I learned this myself and learned this the hard way. The slicer that I use is the Bamboo, its own slicer. I think there's other ones out there like Orca, which I used for a little bit, but there's a setting in there which is the quality of the print. The quality of the print goes up, but also does the time it takes for that print to print. So my thoughts is a happy medium. So I try and find it so I have a good quality of print, but it doesn't take 100 hours or something silly. So my suggestion for number 6, my tip or trick, and this is my opinion, is find a happy medium between quality and then the time it's going to take. And then finally, number 7. So number 7 is not really a tip or trick, it's more of advice. I had a conversation with one of my friends and they were talking about seeing my video and thinking about starting to do some 3D printing and things like that. My advice was just start. Just go and get yourself a printer, then reasonably priced at the moment. I recommend the Bamboo Lab A1 Mini. It's super small. It will go on a desk or on a table, but you can plug and play. You plug it in, download some files and print, and it is as simple as that. Get yourself some different color filaments as well, which is always fun to do. But if you find any of this interesting and you're thinking, should I start 3D printing? Should I try it? Definitely. If I can do it, anyone can do it. So that's my advice or tip for number 7. I wanted to stop the video here and just say that I am not sponsored by Bamboo Lab, but if Bamboo Lab are listening and they want to sponsor me, then that would be great and it would really help my channel. Back to the video. So guys, that's my 7 genius tips or tricks for 3D printing to take it to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. As I said at the beginning, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. My plan is to take us on this journey as we start to grow together, and I appreciate all of the support that you guys are giving me. So thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video.